Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry. I'd really love if you became part of the fam today and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little notification bell that is next to the subscribe button, so that way you're informed every time I upload a new video. Opening our June 2020 Allure beauty box. So if you're excited to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I know it's a little bit different. I don't have my background up. I just got done filming a live with you guys. I did this look. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. Go show me some love on IG. I posted a pic of this look. So if y'all don't know what Allure beauty box is, it is a $15 month subscription and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. I already dropped something. Okay, so every month you get a little paper inside and it goes over the prices of the full-size items and also a little blurb about somebody who's used it and reviewed it. Into the box. I'm gonna first pull out the first thing I see, which is this, and it is the Pure Lisse Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I'm always happy to get cleanser for my face. I do use face wash, right? Pretty packaging. Let's see if it has a seal. Yep, of course. I can never get these seals off because of my nails. So give it a little smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. So good. Let's read about it. Okay, it says it is $18. Mind you, this is a full-size product, as you can see, full-size product. $18, and it says usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has a big potential to dry out sensitive skin, yet this one does not do that. The cleanser removes the day's makeup, leaving behind a clean feeling without drying out your skin, and you can use it twice a day. So I am really happy to get that. Love it, and it smells amazing. Next thing in the box that I'm gonna grab out are these little nail sticker things. They're Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So basically these are like little stickers, but they're made out of gel polish and they go right over your nail. Obviously I'm not going to use these because I do my own nails at home with acrylic. So these are definitely going to be passed along. They are absolutely beautiful. I love the design on them. They're absolutely stunning. So these will be in a future giveaway, so look out for those. Let me tell you how much they cost. And that is a full-size item, and it is $9. And it says they're very easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, match your size to your nail, and just use your fingertips and press it on and then tear the end. So that's really exciting. That's really exciting. So let's go ahead into the next item. The next item in my box is going to be this little guy here, and this says Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil, and it's called Pink Shine. Let's open it up. I've never owned a lip oil in my life. And this is what it looks like. It looks red on camera, but it is very much hot pink magenta in real life. Oh my God, it smells like candy. Can I just put it over my lip gloss? Let's see. I like that. I guess it will be very hydrating on your lips. Let's read about it. And this is also a full-size item. So far, I got 3 items out of my box, full size. $28 full-size retail value, and it says it's loaded with antioxidants, moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oil. So every time you put it on, it will make your lips smoother and smoother. And it smells really good. It smells like candy. I'm excited to have this because I always have to have something on my lips because I hate when my lips are dry. So I think this will be a pretty good go-to for me. So I'm really excited to get that. Let's go ahead and get the next item out of the box. Next item out of the box, the packaging is really killing me, okay? Because it's a sample item. And look at the packaging. This is the amount of product you're getting in that little space. Why did they go ahead and do all this extra? Why? This is what it looks like. It's cute. It looks like a little succulent or something. It's really cute. And this says it's Believe in Truth, the True Cream, Aqua Balm, Aloe Vera Smoothing and Hydrating Aloe Complex. So it is a face cream. Let's go ahead and smell it. Ooh, it's a gel. So I like any type of gel moisturizers. Smells nice. Not a heavy fragrance. Let's put some on the back of my hand. That's what she looks like. It's like a little cream. Rub it in. Very nice. Little goes a long way. Nice scent. Love it. It's very light. Let's read about it. Full size is $38. And the full size is 1.68 fluid ounces. The sample size they gave is 0.33 ounces, just so you can use that as a reference. And it says apply it after your serum but before your sunscreen, and it will leave your skin very hydrated and dewy. So I'm excited to try this. I love gel creams. And plus, I tell you guys all the time, I like these little sample ones because I could throw them in my to-go bag. Like if I'm going over somewhere for the weekend or something like that, these are really handy to just throw in your bag so you don't have to take a big bulky item with you. So let's go ahead and get the next thing out of the box. Next thing in the box is this right here, and it's Shangpri Spot Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. And it says that the net weight is 0.5 ounces and you get one pair of eye patches in here. So let's go ahead and read about it. Full size item of this is $60. Wow, $60. I wonder. Okay, you get 60 patches in one tub. 60 patches in one tub. So I would assume that means you would have enough for a month. 60, 1, 2, so 30 patches, 30 time uses. And it says in 20 minutes, those patches will clear up puffiness and help get rid of dry areas under the eye. So that's nice. I like to try eye patches. I can't really do face masks because they irritate my skin. But if they're hypoallergenic, I can probably do it. But these, I really do like putting them in the fridge and then putting them on after I get out of the shower and put them under my eye, and it just helps cool them down. I don't necessarily have any puffiness under my eye, but I always like to do it because it feels nice. So I'm excited to get those. Let's get the last thing out of the box. Okay. Last thing in the box is this by Star Skin, and it's 100% Camellia, and it's a nourishing and brightening 2-step oil sheet mask. So it's 2 parts. So you will rip this part off. This is your second part, the little oil, and then your face mask is in here. So that's really exciting, and it says for all skin types, and it's 100% pure Camellia oil. All right, I'm just trying to see if it's like hypoallergenic or anything. So it gives you a sample of one to try. Let's see, full. And I assume this is a full size item. It is $10. And it says, open up the sheet mask and section it. Before you apply the oil with your hands will be slippery. The 2-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, and use it right before bed to have softer glowing skin for the next day. And if you have any oil left over, you always can use it again in the next morning to rub in and give you more glow. So that's exciting. Let's recap. We got the mask with the oil, the sample size of the lotion. You get one of these. So this is a sample. So you have 2 samples so far. You have 2 lip oil full size, face wash full size, and the nail stickies. And those are full size. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 items full size this month. This was an amazing box for $15. I always tell everybody to sign up for Allure because you get really great items in it every month, and it's $15. So I really like it. It gives me a chance to try out different skin products. So I recommend it. If you're interested in signing up for it, I will leave a link down below. I don't want you to think that it gives me anything because it doesn't. It's just a link for you guys to sign up if you would like to. So until the next video, guys, stay safe and I love you all. Bye.